Hi everyone, this is Michael Tai from Multimedia 112, the Spring 2019 class. I'm here to present my version of our 10 project Chaos Ball from how to learn to program Unity games in 24 hours. So this is my game, and off the bat, the first thing you probably notice the changes I made is I changed some of the textures. I changed the sky texture. Um, just downloaded some image assets from the Unity asset store. I also changed the textures for the wall, and the texture. Well, I textured the bumper. I created a new bumper from different shapes to kind of like replicate a shield, and so I textured that as well. And then the other changes I've made, besides the textures, were to change the speeds of the balls, the chaos balls, and the goal ones. I made the scoring balls larger, and then the chaos balls smaller. Now, my original intent was to essentially make the chaos balls something that you wanted to dodge. So I changed their speeds and their sizes. I was hoping to maybe give them some kind of particle effect to make them look like fireballs so that it would kind of visually implicate that they were something meant to be dodged. And then another idea I was planning to have was to have the the hitbox or the collision, the collider for the chaos balls on the character controller, the first person controller. Um, so essentially, you were supposed to dodge the fireballs, and if, say, they hit you, the idea would be that the chaos balls would vanish while also notifying the player that they had, say, been hit or they had lost some kind of health points of some sort. Now you can see here on the screen the game over screen. I updated it with a timer to tell the player how long it took for them to complete scoring, and then also essentially a restart button. Now, I couldn't get the restart button to work simply off of a click. As you can see here, when I try to click it, nothing happens. So instead, I just left it as a return button that you can just press the return or enter key on the keyboard and it'll restart the game. Also, when the game is over, the controller, it returns to a specific point. It locks the controller so that you're not able to continue moving while your game is over. It's just so I wanted the player to kind of focus on what was on the screen and not necessarily be moving it around. So if you see me, I'm going to hit the return enter key, and then what that does is it essentially reloads the game. I got the code to reload the game from the web. I just did some research and looked it up. And so essentially what it does is at the game over, when you hit the return key, it reloads the scene. So that's essentially my way of restarting the game, since the thing is, it doesn't work simply by restarting the timer, because all the score balls, they essentially vanish from the game. So essentially I had to reload the scene to reload the score balls. So that's another change that I made to this game. I will be uploading a build to Blackboard, so I don't know if anyone else is able to try this game out and just yeah, if you are able to, let me know your thoughts. Thank you.